Okay. As of now, we have discussed some advantages of EWM with compared to ECC, WM and others. Okay. Today we see the system environment, how it look like and etc. Okay. This one from tomorrow onwards we start the integration part. Okay. Today I will show you the existing org structures and everything, but we will have our own org structure to practice in the system. Okay. Here, this is the ECC and EWM environment, both systems. ECC and EWM integration is required, system integration. Today I will demonstrate the goods receiving means inbound process into the EWM, and as well as outbound also I will show you. Say in ECC, first we create one purchase order, and then in ECC itself we create one inbound delivery, and that is distributing into the EWM as a inbound delivery notification. Inbound delivery notification. Okay. And there in EWM, this again is this inbound delivery notification replica of ECC inbound delivery. This one. Replica of ECC inbound delivery. This one. Once we create the inbound delivery in ECC and that distribute as a inbound delivery notification, that is replica. And with reference to that, we will have one more inbound delivery within the EWM system. Inbound delivery. Next, in EWM, we do put away activities. Sorry, first inbound delivery, goods received. Goods received. Once the goods received is done within the EWM system, that is updating the ECC inbound delivery. Why? Because the parent document is our ECC inbound delivery. Once we do the goods received within the EWM, that is updating our parent document, that is nothing but ECC inbound delivery. Okay, this will happen within the integrated systems. This we can see here. Yeah, connecting, how we connect our system. Yeah, we are purchasing the servers, online servers. Okay, just if we have this logon pad, this is nothing but SAP GUI in our system, we enter IP addresses here, description, application server, instance number, and etc. Okay, one is for this is EH7 is for ECC, and EWM is for this one. For EWM system, we have application server means IP address and this thing. Okay, we require only internet services, and no need to have any SAP installations against our on our laptops and this thing. Okay, and there is no question of RAM size or disk size of our laptop or desktop. Okay, just we install one logon and we connect to some online servers. All our data stored within that online servers only, not in our laptop, nothing. Okay, this thing, just like our normal SAP projects. Okay, this thing. Now EH7. Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. So I mean, this ECC and EWM integration. Can you please come again that fourth and fifth step?
Yep. Yeah, fourth and fifth. Yeah, say for example, one ECC inbound delivery is there that distribute into the EWM system. Okay, as a inbound delivery notification. Okay, that is replica means some image copy of our ECC reference. Okay, that could not be editable or changeable. Okay, with reference to that notification, we will have one more inbound delivery within the EWM, means other system, other server. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
You mean to say that this inbound delivery notification, when it distributed from, IBD distributed to EWM,
yep.
so there, this inbound delivery notification number range, EWM number range, it will take and create IBD notification.
See here, this third and fourth, yeah, the second and third both are having same number ranges. Both are having same number ranges. This is replica of ECC inbound delivery and no need to maintain any number ranges. No need
Okay.
to maintain any number ranges. Okay. Some BAPI function
Okay.
modules are
You mean
available.
to say that this ECC IBD, once it distribute to EWM, the same number, we
Correct.
consider it as
Correct.
IBD node.
Exactly. Yes.
Oh,
Inbound notification. Correct. Yeah.
okay.
This. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. This is the
And then
8. Yeah. I
fourth
will.
step,
Fourth step. EWM inbound delivery. This is internal.
again we'll create with reference to this
Inbound delivery
IBD node.
notification. Correct.
Okay. So goods receipt done with EWM IBD, right?
EWM IBD. Yeah.
Okay. So the same information goes back to
So
ECC and
ECC.
the
Correct.
update IBD.
Correct.
Goods receipt
Yep.
document.
Yep.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, here Reddy, actually one question. So without inbound delivery notification, can't we do direct IBD here?
Yes, we can do. That is nothing but expected goods received. Expected goods received. This
In
is one.
general, in regular activities, how we will
Yeah,
proceed in
regular
inbound?
normal 99.5 or 99.9. The process is like this only. And say for example, yesterday we discussed something like, say for example, I raise one purchase order to one of the external vendor. He has forgotten, or else he sent some information, advance ship notification to us, but it is not reached us, and it is not available in the system. But suddenly goods came to our warehouse. In that case, yeah, with without ASN, we should be able to receive that goods. Say for example, that's a 10 tons capacity load or whatever it may be. If I verify within the system, if the ASN is not there, I cannot send the goods back to the vendor, or else I cannot wait until the ASN is coming into the system or whatever it may be. I cannot do anything. Why? Because if I stop that truck, I need to pay additional amount of damage charges or whatever it may be. Okay, that's what we have one advantage within this EWM is expected goods received. Okay, without this one, without ECC inbound delivery, direct we trigger the EWM IBD. EWM IBD, that process is calling as a expected goods received. This is one of the major
Okay,
advantage of
yeah,
EWM.
final put away will be in the IBD or GR. So
No.
final put away.
GR is the first portion. GR is the first portion. Then sixth point is there at this moment. Yeah, this one in EWM. Then put away. Keeping the stocks from GR area to final destination bin. This is the put away. Okay.
Then next we will confirm as well.
Confirm means
Confirmation.
put away completed. Yes, complete activity.
Yeah.
Okay. This
So
one.
here both activities we are performing, like creation and confirmation.
Yes. Create and confirmation. Yes. Yeah.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah, please.
This is controlled by document type here in EWM.
Yes, we have internal document types and etc. are there, sir.
For EG expected goods receipt is a different document type.
Yes, exactly. Expected goods receipt is a different document type. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Yes. This is the ECC system 800 client we are going to use. Okay. I will get one existing purchase order. ME21N. I am referring this purchase order.
Sir, you are showing a demo test case, sir.
Yeah, just how the delivery flows into the EWM. Inbound delivery. Yeah. Daily, if we discuss this thing, what theory, all will get bored, right? Just we see before entering into the system, how two systems are integrated and how deliveries are flown between the ECC and EWM and etc. We are going to see. Okay, this thing. Yeah. Just I am changing the delivery dates. Anyway, we are going to discuss this elaborately in our classes. Okay, this one and just if we see one confirmation control are there maintained here. Okay, for line item 10 and 20 confirmation control. Just I am saving this purchase order. Okay.
Yeah, one question here. Once we have saved this document,
Yep.
hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, once we have saved this document, is there any scenario like this document has to be replicated to WMS as well as in EWM?
No, that is not possible. Why? Because here we have two options to work with WM. One is centralized, another one is decentralized. This is purely this thing from PO end we cannot do anything. From PO end that is there only. From inbound delivery onwards we integrate with the EWM. From PO we cannot integrate. See here, just I have created one purchase order to the external vendor. Okay, that's what I did. Okay, at this point of purchasing a document time, this system cannot integrate with EWM. Okay, this thing. Now I'm going to create one inbound delivery VL31N demo. Okay, two line items are there. Just I'm giving one material, one material, and
In
saving.
conditions,
Pardon?
in conditions tab,
Confirmation.
confirmation control. Yeah.
Confirmation
So,
control.
what is the significance of that? I mean,
Confirmation control, right?
option select.
Yes.
Yeah.
Confirmation control is say in a general example, I am sending one purchase order to external vendor. He should have to confirm us either when he is going to send goods and etc. According to that
Okay.
only we will plan our further activities. Confirmation.
Okay. Sir.
Yep. Confirmation control. Yeah, these are the various are there. Okay, we are using only one or two things. Okay, this.
Sir,
Sir,
it is
confirmation
Yeah, please.
confirmation control and inbound delivery are same, or is it will be different?
Yeah, it will be different. Confirmation control
Yes.
means just he is sending our some information to us. Say
Okay.
for example, on this day you are going to receive your goods and etc.
Okay.
Yeah. To
Means
planning
it is
purpose. Yeah, planning purpose
it will
only.
be a tail. It will be telephonic or written or email or something.
Oh, lot of media is
Okay.
there, sir. Physical
Okay.
copy
So
also is send. EDI, electronic data interchange, and
in
through
simple, we will be creating an inbound delivery.
correct.
VL31N.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Planning purpose mainly they use this confirmation control. See, 10 goods I ordered, but if he is not sending any confirmation to us, suddenly truck came to my plant. What should I do? To download or receive that 10 ton, I need to plan my labor or any machinery if required, like this thing. To avoid such kind of the scenarios, this confirmation control is there. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. One item I'm considering. Saving this inbound delivery shipping notification. Yeah, once we save this, we are getting this message. Shipping notification with number, this thing was saved and distributed to the WMS. Distributed. This is our message. Shipping notification one is created, was saved. Okay, that's part one saved. And as for our system integration setup and as for our org structures mapping rules, that is distributed to the WMS. Means created here ECC and it is distributed to some decentralized system. This is the meaning. Okay. Now we go to the EWM system. We go to the EWM.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
is there any control at the confirmation control key level?
Why some is not distributed, some is distributed like this?
Yes, yeah.
Not confirmation. Could you please let me know exact this one? Okay. We are dealing with warehouse management system. Whatever the delivery comes against that combination of the warehouse, that should be distributed into the EWM. Okay, that is okay. And confirmation control level, that is not relevant to our EWM integration. If it's if you don't want to do any GR and etc., you can control at confirmation control level. But that part is not relevant for our EWM. Okay, this thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we come to EWM system. Here EWM we are going to use 300 client. Okay. See here also we have the easy access. Here also we have the SPRO. Here also we have the IMG setup and etc. Here also. Okay. This thing just like looks like a normal SAP. Ours is normal SAP. And we are in easy access. Go to the extended warehouse management. Anyway, you will be familiar with these transactions, nodes, and etc. Just for a demo purpose, I am showing. Okay, this one of the delivery processing inbound delivery is there. Maintain inbound delivery notification. Go to here. This maintain inbound delivery notification. See here, this is suppressed. Okay, disabled means we are in this transaction. Here, one advantage is there. Some subsequent documents we can control through a single transaction. That is also possible in EWM. Search parameters. I have not given any searching parameter. Last one is ours. See here, this one. 180010358. 180010358 with the same number. Inbound delivery notification. And if I try to change or edit whatever it may be, it cannot allow us. Nothing is there. One sec. I will double click on here. Data. See here. All fields are disabled. I cannot edit or change. Nothing. I cannot do anything here. Okay. I cannot do anything. This one.
How it got transmitted to EWM system through IDOC or
No, QRFCs.
what
QRF.
is it?
Queued remote function calls. QRFC.
Oh, okay.
Advanced kind of IDACs. Advanced IDACs. But I cannot call as IDAC. Queued remote function calls. Okay, BAPI function modules. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And with reference to this inbound delivery notification, one inbound delivery is created with internal some framework is there within the EWM with that. I have selected this and click this one. This is the purely internal document. Purely internal document of the EWM. This 16890. Purely internal document. And here one button is there, goods receipt. And here goods receipt not started. I am doing goods receipt. I am selecting line and goods receipt. Goods receipt completed. See here, goods receipt completed. Now we come back.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sir, now 16890 got created, right? This inbound delivery document.
Correct.
So, as and when you have saved inbound delivery notification in the previous, tab. So this number got generated, or what time this 16890 got generated? Like,
Yes,
the internal doc.
exactly. See here, we cannot save or nothing, just automation. Okay, that ECC inbound delivery is distributed as a inbound delivery notification. With reference to
Yes.
this inbound delivery notification, one inbound delivery
Okay.
is created automatically.
Through some PPF.
Yeah,
Right, sir?
yes, exactly. PPF frameworks.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, this one is created. Now I did the goods receipt. This is over. This is over. This is over. This is over. Now fifth item. EWM. I did the goods receipt. That should be acknowledge back to the ECC IBD. Acknowledge back. Go to our ECC system. Latest one can default 1358 hours. Go to environment, document flow. See here, goods received complete. Goods received completed here. Now, it is possible to say, assume that our worker did wrong. He wants to reverse the GR. He wants to reverse the GR. Reverse goods received. Again, it's goods receipt not started. See here. What will happen in ECC? Come back. Again, go. One sec. Not yet updated. Updating. Again, come back. Open. Status is open. First one GR is happened. Then reversal of GR. Reversal of GR. Overall status is open. Overall status. Now we see our purchase order. As usual, purchase order history. Update. This one, right? system is slow.
Yeah, okay, so I have one question. You created IBD with reference to ECC IBD, right, in
Correct.
EWM.
Correct.
So, is EWM IBD information also flows to ECC side and it gets updated in anywhere?
No. This is purely internal activity, warehouse activity. Okay.
Oh,
This IBD cannot trace out in our ECC system. That
okay.
is
You mean,
only the common point is this only. Common point is inbound delivery notification. Common point.
okay.
Yeah. Common point is this only. One sec. Some system becomes
Okay,
emergency.
EWM, okay,
Yeah.
got it.
One sec. ME23N. Go to purchase order history. Yes, see here. Our first one GR is created and one reverser also created. One reverser. That history, whatever we did in the EWM system, that is updated in ECC. That is updated in ECC. Okay, this thing. And to fulfill this, to integrate this, we need to have some org setup with us and some distribution models with us to send and reflect it back. See here, in our case, first it is replicated our ECC to EWM system. That is one portion. Once I do the GRN, that is reflecting back to ECC system. That is the second portion. And again, I did the reverse GRN, that is also updating in ECC. Okay, this is one set of small thing. Okay, and one more thing, VL31N demo 2. This is normal normal individual products. Okay, and if we want to go with handling units, packed items, that is also possible. Okay, here we pack from ECC and or else EWM, and again I am going to with one this. This is WMS 1359, and assume that vendor has sent in a box these two products. Vendor has sent these two products in a box. Okay, and I want to maintain one handling unit of that box, but that information number is not there. But that a box, what I want to do, I want to use that box with one identification number as a handling unit within our EWM system. Okay, just this is inbound delivery notification. Go to inbound delivery. Okay, here one option is there, follow on functions, pack. In the internal system, I am generating one EWM system, one handling unit, this one, and I am packing into this box, carton box. Packed these carton boxes, come to here. That is updated in inbound only, not in the inbound delivery notification. That's not available in inbound delivery notification. Why? Because that information we built within the EWM system. Within the EWM system. See here. Here we don't have any HU details. Means no handling unit information come to us from ECC. But coming to the inbound delivery, we generated one handling unit within the system, EWM system, this one. If I do the GRN, what will happen? We can check. Completed. Come to ECC. What is the number? We can check.
Sir, is this a possible case? Even in ECC, it has been already packed in one HU and that is being distributed to EWM.
Yes, that is all possible, sir. We are going to see that. Next example.
Okay. Okay.
One sec. Yeah, items. Yeah. This number is our VL33N 59. Go to pack. See here. That packing information is distributed back to the ECC system. Okay, this one. Packing information. I did the packing in EWM system that came to here. Now, one more case we see. From ECC itself, we do the pack. Pack. Here, I am packing. Here only I am generating number, handling unit. Save it. Now, come to EWM system. See here, in inbound delivery notification itself, we can find out the handling units. The same handling unit pass into the subsequent document, that is inbound delivery. See here, this thing. Okay. Assume that this carton box is damaged. I want to repack into another box. What should I do? 142. See here, sir, clear, sir, here. And follow on functions. Pack. This one, 142. But this box is damaged while receiving. What I am doing? I am generating one new box in EWM. Here, this number range and this number range are both are different. Okay, but both should be recognized by each system. This one, 142. And I am going to repack the product into our new handling unit. 142. We require number, delivery number here. 16892. We generate one HU. Repack product 16892. Source HU 142. Destination HU 12008. Item number 10. Quantity 1. Execute. Automatically one product came to here. One more product is there. Source HU 142. Delivery number this one. Item number 20. Quantity 1. Destination HU 1008. Execute it. Just repacking the product. Just this we can do through RF device. and desktop also possible. Okay, some empty HUs will not be saved during the packing. Okay, empty HUs. Okay, not a problem. Anyway, that 142 number is not required for me. This one I updated with new handling unit, new carton box. Come back to our inbound delivery. If you see, this is updated, and we see the position of inbound delivery notification. That is this only. Why? Because that is a image copy of the ECC inbound delivery. Against that, we did inbound delivery and we changed it into new HUs. Now I am doing the goods receipt. Goods receipt. Now come back to our ECC system. Go to pack button. See here new HU. While 142, while sending the IVD information from ECC to EWM, that handling unit is 142, but we changed that handling unit within the EWM, that is updated back to here. Okay. Any doubts regarding this?
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, if we are having some, suppose 20 line items, again we have to pack all the 20 items manually there?
Manually means RF device we can do.
No,
Yeah,
no, no, that's
one thing. I got it. I will show you. Yeah, yeah. If you see here in this button, GR posted, so it is not showing. Before GR only we can do. One sec. I will show you. Yeah, it is came, not a problem. Repack product. See here. 20 line item means here item number is mandatory. 20 line items. One thing. I will do one thing. Change HU. One thing. Yeah, one more test case I will show you. VL31N. These are individually packed in cotton boxes. Okay. And the vendor is sent on one pallet, but he expected pallet sent back to vendor. Okay. We need to collect only cotton box and we need to send pallet to vendor back. Here, just I am replicating that scenario, pallet scenario. I am selecting these cotton boxes. This one. Okay. Within the pallet, we have two cotton boxes. We have two cotton boxes. Now save it. This is calling as a nested handling unit. Nested handling unit. Come to EWM system. This one. See here, hierarchy levels, nested handling units. This one. At inbound delivery notification, this is the highest level handling unit. These are the lowest level handling unit. For this handling unit, this is 145 is the highest. For 144 also 145. Now go to the inbound delivery. It cannot show what inside of that handling units until unless we open that box. Okay, this thing highest level only this thing. This is actually pallet. We need to collect our cotton boxes and send a pallet to vendor. Assume that scenario. Okay. And that sending back to vendor and this thing that is not tracking in our ECC or EWM system. Assume that. I'm not going to talk about the returnable packaging things and etc. Okay. This thing. Go to inbound delivery, follow on functions, pack. 145 pallet 2. These are there. Go to change HU. Handling unit is 145. Empty. This one. Empty. See here. These came outside. Just save it. Saved. That 145 will disappear from the system. 145. Now 143 and 144 is there. Come back. If you see here, HU, earlier 145, one pallet is there now. We are dealing with this 143 and 144. Goods received. Come to ECC inbound delivery. Go to here. See here only 143 and 144 only will appear here. Okay, this thing. Like we can integrate with our ECC and EWM systems. For to fulfilling all these things, we need to have some. We need to configure integration between the org structures and etc. And as part of our sessions, first we discuss about the system integration, landscape setup. Then we come to org structures and etc. etc. Okay. And please let me know, sir, before any doubts before closing this session. Yeah. And one thing here, one of our friend asked something. This is IM updating first scenario. So EWM can support where WM needs to update first and EWM and later point. This thing. Yeah, this we will cover in this IM updating first scenario. So EWM can support where WM needs to update the first and IM at these things. Okay. That we discuss during configuration setup, sir, how our IM is integrated with EWM environment, etc. Okay. Yes, this is the sample flow, correct, to show this thing. Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah, this is about some sample inbound process with or without packaging goods. Okay. Yeah, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with the landscape setup, arc structures, and etc. Okay.
Unlike in warehouse, we have centralized and decentralized, or only decentralized?
We deal with the only decentralized. There is no question of centralized, sir, for EWM.
Centralized.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
EWM operator will have only EWM server or ECC also? Not required, no? ECC?
Not required, sir.
Only...
It depends on that person's. Say, for example, he is the supervisor and he is the IT person, like this kind of thing. They can have this one. Normally,
Okay.
they have only EWM authorizations and EWM system, and 90% operations they carry through RF devices only.
Okay. And EWM server only, not ECC.
Not ECC, EWM only. Yep.
Okay. He is least bothered about ECC.
Yes. Yeah, he cannot
Okay.
consider what is the GL posting within ECC system. He don't see that part. Just either the
Even
quantity,
purchase order,
nothing. He
purchase
don't
order,
follow.
sales order,
Nothing. Nothing. What are the inbound delivery notification or inbound delivery is there? Against that only he can work.
Okay, thank you.
From which customer it came or from which vendor it came, he cannot bother about that.
Sir, this GR we can do in IM also, not
No,
possible.
not possible.
Okay.
So now still Putaway is not completed.
No, not completed. Just
Okay.
for integration part I have shown.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for attending the session. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with landscape setup. Okay. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.